What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Turns a Missed Doctor Appointment into a Police Matter." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
On August 22, 2022, deputies responded to a primary care clinic regarding a woman who refused to leave.
Did you guys call?
Yes, that was me that called.
Okay, what's going on?
Because this young lady right here will not leave the building, and she's been harassing the patients that was in here, and says that she's going to sit in the lobby until she sees the doctor, and the doctors have stated he cannot see her.
Okay,
I have appointment
doesn't
with the
matter.
doctor.
This is a business.
Okay, I would like to talk to the doctor.
I can't. They don't have to. You don't have to see the doctor. I don't know if you're misunderstanding. Like the doctor has told his staff that.
No.
You missed your appointment. The
No, I'm
doctor.
not missing nothing.
I cannot explain it to you any other way. You have to leave. If you refuse to leave, then the law kicks in. It's a
I
privately
want
owned
to see
company.
your ID.
Okay.
Give me your
You need
card.
to walk outside.
No.
You need to walk outside. This is all being recorded on body cam. I've asked you for 10 minutes to walk outside. Please walk outside. You're not allowed to be here, okay? Thank you. This is all being recorded. You violated the law 3 times. At this point, you have 3 different charges. You've resisted arrest by not listening to my commands. You have trespassed. How far do you want to take this?
Okay.
How far would you like
arrest
to take
me
this?
Because I going to the doctor.
I told you to
woman
leave.
No give me go to doctor.
It's a business.
It's not business. It's a look.
It
Primary
is
care,
a private
Cleveland
company.
Clinic.
Cleveland Clinic, Indian River Hospital is a
going
private
on?
business.
I want cut all of one of you.
Okay, this is all being recorded, okay?
I want.
There's my name. If you'd like to write it down, you can write it down,
Yes,
okay?
give me pen. You can pen right down.
You have to provide your own pen.
I will let you borrow a.
Hey, look at the difference in these sergeants right here, man. My boy right here. My boy right here.
Your own pen.
I will let you borrow a pen.
Okay. It's unusual. Go to doctor. Then give me go to doctor.
They're the ones that called on you.
No.
She refused to leave for an hour and got nasty with the staff.
It's simple.
Michael Pierce,
P-I-E-R-C-E.
It's like Fort Pierce. You can just request a video because it's all been recorded since I got here. That's the easiest way to do it. You can put it on Facebook or Instagram or anything else.
Listen. Hey now. Body Cam Watch is gonna request the video. You hear me? They gonna request the video. You ain't gotta worry about that, baby. The video, you listen, whether you like it or not, you gonna be on YouTube, okay?
CADA.
See if they want to trespass. You can ask them.
It was this department.
Indian River County Sheriff's Office. But you're not free to leave yet, okay? So you're not allowed to go anywhere.
Get her information for me. Here you go. Now you'll do the same for him, right?
You have a
So your notebook?
ID
What
card.
crime is demanding to me? What crime I did?
so we're going to issue what's called a trespass warning.
If they want
If
one.
they want one.
Trespass warning. What is trespass warning?
Therefore, I'm asking for your identification so that I can fill out the paperwork.
Do you want her back here anymore?
We will have to speak to the doctor
Okay.
to see if he is saying yes or no.
Okay.
So yeah, could you ask?
Do you have an ID card with you?
What kind of trespass are trespassing? It's a Cleveland Clinic.
They have a right. They have a right to deny you service. They have a right to ask you to leave, and therefore, they've asked you to leave. You refuse. Now we are telling you you have to leave.
I told her to leave twice and she
Now
refused.
becomes. Listen to me. Listen to me.
She's not doing it.
Listen to me. Now it becomes criminal. If you refuse to give me your ID, you're going to go to jail. It's not a threat. It's just that's what's going to happen. So you can give me your ID. We can do the paperwork. You can walk away and leave, never come back, or I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. We're gonna go to jail.
Let me guess.
And you're gonna get your.
to give us her information.
That's correct.
I want.
So I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you decide what you want to do.
One more second, ma'am. I'm going to do this as nice as possible because I don't want to see you ruin your day. I don't know if you're familiar with the law, and I think you're confused about doctor being a doctor. This is a business no different than Publix and the Chinese restaurant and the pizza place. They choose who they see. You made an appointment, they agreed to
No,
see. Finish?
no.
You don't let me finish.
They must look at any
Don't let me
patient.
finish.
You're not choosing who they
No,
see
that's
in
not
a
true.
hospital.
Absolutely not true. This is not a hospital. This is a business. This is a off-site medical care. If you go to the emergency room, they have to see you. This is not the emergency room, so let me finish. This is a business. They've asked you to leave. The minute you did not leave the lobby on their request, you broke the law of trespassing. Then the ugly guy in the suit shows up that has the law to tell you to leave. I told you to leave. You refused. I had to put my hand on your shoulder, which was recorded, and escort you gently out of the building. That act is called resisting arrest. You were given a lawful order to leave. You refused. Now, you have 2 violations of the law. The third coming is he is telling you to produce your identification, which is a lawful command, and we have a right to do that. I do not want you to get in trouble. I'm trying to do everything possible to keep this to a peaceful resolution. They want to trust that?
Thank you.
They got to give it to doctor.
Okay. They're going to do that now? Okay.
Good job, Sarge.
So, again, I understand your frustration.
Owner is building, David Church. I want to talk to him.
I'm sorry.
Owner is building, David Church.
This
I
is
want to talk to him.
the owner of the building. I don't know who the owner of the building is. You're going to look.
Business.
The owner is Cleveland Clinic, which is a national company that has hospitals all over the United States. He is not the
So
owner.
I cannot talk to him.
They don't have to let you. That's like going to Publix and demanding the manager, and then he says, "I don't want to talk to you."
If you go to public, the people doing something.
You don't have to, though.
I must talk to manager. It's a rules.
You're missing. You're not. You're not. It's a private business. You're missing the point.
No.
You are. You have a right to talk to a boss here because that's a government entity. This is a private business. They do not have to produce the boss. The boss can say, "Tell her to leave. I don't want to ever see her again," and that's what they have the right to do. So you're misunderstood slightly about how the business operates. So again, I'm not.
She's just a little confused. She doesn't know the difference between public and private.
Disagreeing that you're upset or that you didn't get seen or there's an issue, but the way you're handling it is not correct, and it can get you in trouble.
Well, what I do?
I would look into the Cleveland Clinic company, go online, and get a supervisor of the business or a complaint.
So what I doing it? Then you give me see doctor.
You would maybe give you a different doctor. Yes, send you to another location.
Okay, give me doctor now.
But I can't do that here. This is
No, why I supposed to see different doctor? I won't see this one. It's my doctor. I see him for 2 years.
It doesn't
What
sound like
do
he
I
wants.
want?
I don't know that he wants to see you anymore.
Okay, go ask him. Call.
That's what they're doing. They're asking him. They're asking him if he wants to see you.
First of all, doctor cannot refuse it.
She's not allowed back.
She's not allowed back.
GW. Not
All right.
yet.
TW, you want to grab one?
Yeah, can you grab one for me?
I don't have a grab one. So they don't want to ever. You're not allowed to ever come back here again.
Come back here, you go to jail, okay? That's the bottom line.
And that doctor made that decision.
Doctor make decision.
Yes.
So that's something you'll have to take up with the Cleveland Clinic.
If you're supposed to be doing on a paper, you just say me on a boards.
No, we're gonna fill out a piece of paper
The
for you.
doctor's going to sign it.
And then we're
Okay, doctor can sign it.
yep, and then you'll get a copy and then you can deal with Cleveland Clinic later on, okay?
Okay, right.
And the doctor will sign it. Okay.
I have to get my supervisor to let him know what all he needs.
Okay.
So then they're gonna be able to.
But we're gonna have a
out
form.
official letter. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have a form, and
Okay.
basically we just need him to sign it, and that'll explain that she's not allowed to come back. She gets a copy, you get a copy, and then you guys can keep one and
Okay.
file it with your business.
Okay.
I would just ask that he's the one that signs
Okay.
it. Okay. We're gonna fill the paper out, and your doctor is going to sign the paper that indicates that you're trespassed and not allowed to come back here, and you will get a copy of that to take to whoever you'd like to file the complaint with.
So, what crime I commit?
Trespassing.
I have appointment. I invited.
Okay. If you're gonna listen to me, I'll explain it to you one more time.
Trespassing, I
At the
invited.
You were invited, and then they told you to leave, and you refused. The statute says once your invitation has been revoked, you must immediately exit the premises, which you did not. And when I told you to leave, you did not. You refused. That's
She said
suspect.
me waiting on all appointments finished. You're waiting.
then I came
people
and told
leave,
you to
and
leave.
I call after. Why? Do you can control what doctor I go in? You call to me, make me leave out of doctor
They
office?
have
What
a
you
right to
talking?
do that.
Who?
The business, you're looking at this.
Doctor never know what I'm here.
He did. He signed the paper.
No.
He doesn't want you here. The doctor
Show
signed
me
it.
paper.
You're going to have it here shortly.
You're going to get a copy of it.
Doctor, no, it's unusual. You know, if doctor no one see me, I have appointment, I can sue them. You know this?
Well, and that's perfectly fine. You can certainly
It's
try.
perfectly fine.
Sure. You
But
can,
that's not a law enforcement thing. We don't do
Yeah,
suit.
we're
We don't do lawsuits.
What you doing?
Criminal, which is what you did. You broke the law.
I broken the law.
Several
By
times.
going to that, what you do there? You hypnotizing heavy. I know all what you're doing.
What am I doing?
It's what you're doing. And I actually called the federal yesterday. Is I go
sorry?
after you. Today, I be called to him again. He be called to me. He give you all you names for put to jail all corruption of police in their beach.
This is all being
Just for
recorded.
you know it.
Okay. And when you make sure you get the video,
that
make sure you get the video of you breaking the law when you refuse to leave and put that on there as well. Because you broke the law several times. So that's not corruption.
I misunderstood what she was doing.
She said that we were,
perfectly.
we're all
She
corrupt.
understood perfectly.
Oh,
Maybe you something
we're
not
corrupt.
understood. He does.
We're corrupt.
Okay.
You are. You going to the doctor office and pushing me out.
I didn't push you out.
Sometimes they make me think what is criminal in around doctor.
Ma'am, may I,
And these people too. I won't know her name.
may I interrupt Fritz for a second?
Yeah, go give me her name. It's my right.
Okay.
This
give you
woman
what?
at the lobby.
I'm sorry.
Name this woman at the lobby.
Okay. Let me explain what was going to happen to you.
You do this too. Okay, I don't know what to do now. I
Try-
can explain what happened to you. You will be both in a federal prison.
Whatever you say about me is your right. I'm here to protect this business that you violated the law in, and that's it. You can threaten me. You can tell me whatever you like to tell me. It's irrelevant. Your lack of knowledge of the law is your fault. Maybe you should go home and read about it and learn the law. Then you wouldn't think I was corrupt for doing my job.
You will give me see a doctor. I won't see doctor. I won't talk to the doctor.
Go to the emergency room.
You don't have the right to talk to this doctor anymore.
You go to the emergency room.
Okay,
What?
I want for doctor say it to me.
He's going to give you a piece of paper that says it. You don't have a right. I don't know who you think you're in charge of, but you don't have a right to make those requests. You don't. So it's funny,
I have
whatever.
appointment to doctor.
It doesn't matter.
It's a law
He
enforcement.
took it
and give me
away
go to doctor.
and he told you to leave.
It's unbelievable.
The doctor wants you gone. He doesn't want to see you anymore.
I want for doctor say it to me.
He's giving you a piece of paper that says
First
it.
of all, doctor don't have a right to say it. Okay?
Absolutely he
I-
does. Absolutely he
not.
does. Okay.
Hi, this is a trespass warning stating you're hereby notified that you're no longer authorized, licensed, or invited to enter or remain at the premises. You may be arrested or refused to leave or return to the area at any time. Basically, long story short, the easiest way is that you cannot come back to this property. If you do, you go to jail. That's the easiest way to
So what he sign it? Where?
sign it right here. Dr. David Hurst. Dr. David Hurst, that's the office phone number. He even gave me his business card. Okay?
We're going to a business card.
You can go in.
May I look?
Yeah, David Hurst. For my report, so I need it. Don't snatch anything away from my hands. Don't try to be funny here. Okay, all right, we're already cutting you a break as it is. So, you can do two of the things. You can sign it and get your copy, and then you can be on your way.
You don't sign it nothing. It's not him.
This is David. Yes, it is. It's all on body camera. Are you going to refuse to sign this? 'Cause if you refuse it, you're still trespass. It doesn't mean anything. So when you come back here, you're going to go to jail. Okay? I'm just going to write down refuse, okay?
I understand it now. That's what you wanted for my son.
Okay. You don't have to sign it. You're still trespass from here. If you come back, you go to jail. There you are. You're free to leave.
You actually have to leave, so
You have to
you
leave.
need to leave.
You don't leave.
I have to leave.
Yes.
You don't leave, you're going to jail.
Yes.
This is like your last and final warning.
Okay.
Okay?
I know all of this.
Have a better day.
I want name this woman.
You're seconds from going to jail.
I have want
You
name
need to leave.
this woman
You
and
need to-
I sue her. For this what she doing to me now.
need to
It's
leave.
my right. You cannot give me go inside, but you must go inside.
No, I do not have to do that. No, I don't have to.
Let's go. Let's go. It's showtime, baby. Yes, sir. It's showtime. She ain't acting right. She ain't acting right. Listen, Sarge, you been in the gym. You gonna have to put that to use, man. You gonna have to get her in line, man. Get her to act right, man. She doing whatever she wanna do, man. Get her to act right. She ain't acting right. Let's go. It's showtime, baby.
Yeah, no, I don't.
No, it's my right.
That's not important right now.
Hire your
It's
attorney.
important right
No.
now.
Hire an attorney and sue them. No, you can hire an attorney.
Call Cleveland Clinic.
No. Oh, she hasn't gone inside yet, so I'm gonna give her the
I'm gonna wait
benefit.
for. I'm gonna wait for him to show up.
She hasn't gone inside yet.
Okay, go into the woman.
We are not going inside to get her name. It's not your right.
Okay, you go. Yeah, that's my right.
No, it's not.
I know my right.
No, you
The
don't.
United States
You don't know the
citizen.
law.
Okay, how about I go 911 and say what you doing?
We are 911, so there you go. You call 911 for
If you
that.
feel
You'll,
like-
you
if
call
you feel like
911
you
for
need
that.
to-
You'll be abusing 911. You'll go to jail.
I be abusing 911
Correct.
and go to jail.
Yep.
I'm telling you right now, the best thing for
Misuse of 911 services.
you to do is get in your car and go home, or go up to Cleveland Clinic ER. That's what I'm telling you. I
Wait
beg,
for
Olga,
that, Olga.
Olga.
I have all units.
Good. I
need
understand that.
you
Okay,
all
I get it.
units.
Olga,
good.
please go.
Okay.
Please go home.
Okay.
Please,
I want names this woman.
No.
pretty please,
No.
go home.
Close door. Oh my gosh. You are
Please.
criminal.
Please go home.
So you are kidnapping doctor right now? It's
Now you've caused the staff to lock the door because they feel
lock
threatened.
the door.
You need to leave.
Please go home. Just go home.
I want names this woman.
Absolutely not.
Cleveland Clinic will give them to you.
I not sign it.
Okay.
I not signed it, you paper. You actually physically not give me go to
Touch me,
the
you're going to
this
jail.
door.
This has gone far enough. Let's take her. That's it. Yep.
Okay, I sue you.
Okay.
Nope. Nope.
Nope,
That's it.
you're going to
Nope.
15.
Going to jail.
You're going to jail.
You have been given every right to not go
You
to
have-
jail.
Don't resist me.
Don't take my bag.
Honey, let go of it.
That's worse than it
You're
really
charging me. You're charging me.
I know. Everything's on video. Don't worry about it.
That's what we didn't want to do.
We're under
Okay?
arrest.
You're under arrest now. You can go to jail.
Give my bag.
Stop moving.
Be still.
All right, come on.
Uncalled for. Go ahead and get in the car. Okay. Relax.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.